Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up workflows in monday.com. First, open your monday.com account and head to the home area so you're starting from the main dashboard. From there, look to the top right of the screen for the grid icon with 6 dots. Click that icon to open the app menu. This is where monday.com stores shortcuts to tools and add-ons that expand what your boards can do. In the menu, choose Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you can discover and install apps that help automate and structure your work. In the search bar, type Workflow, then select the Workflow app that appears in the results. This will take you to its listing page with details on how it works. On the Apps page, click Install App. If you're prompted to confirm permissions, review them, then proceed. After installation, click Add App to make it available in your account so you can start using it on your boards. If you don't have permission to install apps, you may need an admin to help with this part. Once the app is added, open the board where you want to build the workflow and click Edit Workflow. This opens the visual workflow editor where you'll define the stages and how items move between them. Inside the editor, click Status. Here, you'll pick the status column that represents your process stages, such as To Do, In Progress, or Done. Choosing the right status column ensures your workflow mirrors the way your team actually works. After selecting the status column, click Apply to lock in your choice. You'll now see your stages laid out. Arrange them by dragging and dropping until they follow the order that makes sense for your process. A left to right flow that mirrors how work progresses is usually easiest to read at a glance. Next, set up the transitions. Click the small circle on a stage and drag to another stage to connect them. These connectors define how items are allowed to move. Think of them as paths your task can follow. Keep the connections logical and avoid creating loops unless they're intentional, like moving something back for review. When everything looks right, click Save at the top right. This saves your setup so your team can start using it immediately. That's it. Your workflow is installed, configured, and ready to guide your items through each step of your process. If you ever need to refine it, return to the editor, adjust the order, tweak connections, and save again.